Guys, stutter bass, you need to know this bass. So if you tied a dotted and you tied a triplet, we're going to do the stutter bass, okay? So we're going to go for this shape, stick it on the level, like this, turn it to HZ, hertz, and then call level LFO2 like this, envelope, stick it on 1 bar, drag it over here, straight to the rate, and then let's have a listen. Stick this on the filter as well just to check. Cool. Now if we move this, higher we go, the quicker we go. That's a bit of a triplet and then a bit slowing down. Pretty cool. Let's try the triangle. And then we're going to go to spectral, try Monster 7, octave 1, and then we're going to go PD from B, and also FM from B. Even mess with this now. Put the randoms down. Remember, if we go higher, give that a go. Let's have a listen. Cool, we can add a bit of this to here if you want. And here. And we can try 7 semitones. And if we move the rate here, depends how fast you want it. Might be too fast. Can add some noise to it if you want. Then in the effects we'll just try some white noise. Pink. Could even try a different wavetable. Let's give a listen from the start. Cool. Show you in Serum 1 as well. Of course, it's slightly different technique. So you're going to do same again, LFO1 on the level, and turn off BPM this time, and then go to the matrix and same thing, LFO2, put it on 1 bar, go in the matrix, find LFO2, apply that to LFO1 rate. That's it, and I've put it up 34, stuck it on this double arrow, and it's similar effect. Get a little FM on there from this one, level down. Guys, remember, if you want any of these presets, link below. It's 15 quid a month, 40 presets a month. Also, you can get the all presets, get a little bundle deal. Also, I've got a new tier which is just £1 a month if you wanted to give me £1 a month. If you wanted to support me, I'm highly appreciative of it, and it helps to support me and my family. And it's only £1 a month, so that is just there, just letting you know. It's not compulsory, guys, it's not mandatory. Let's give these serums a listen.